Temperature yesterday was like 85, I think. It's still warm here. Great thing about Arizona, it don't get cold. Anyway, they're still hot in Phoenix. They're still sweating. It's 110, 101 degrees yesterday. Yeah, well, it's not that hot here. It only gets up to 100. It almost gets that hot everywhere in the world. Rarely goes over 100. So, but we don't freeze. It rarely goes below 32, and that's only at night. So really, it's perfect weather. It's not as hot as anybody would think it is. It just has that reputation because of Phoenix and Tucson, and South Arizona is 115 degrees in the summer or more. Yeah, it gets damn hot. And yeah, that freaking hot's impossible, especially when you're older. Oh, but you need winter. That's different. I used to love winter, and winter was my favorite time of year. But now my bones and my rib cage hurts in the cold. If I start shivering, man, I get this really bad pain in my chest. I don't. Maybe it's arthritis in my rib cage. It's right in the center of my chest or my back. It depends. I mean, I can feel it on both sides. And it's the same one that gets me when I'm really mad. It's the same stress pain. So, like when I used to have road rage, or I didn't really have road rage. I was just pissed off on the road. I don't drive in traffic too much anymore anyway. Hey, what's up, Mr. Crow? What you got to say today? Where are you? Can I get you in the picture? Yeah, there you are. What's up, Mr. Crow?